Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joe Burgess. Welcome to my channel. Just gonna do the second part of this Coates 3040 Coates tire machine here. This time around, I'm gonna actually be mounting the tire up. The first video I showed you was to dismount the tire, but in this one here, I'm gonna show you how to mount it up. So, just gonna go through it real quickly for you, and throw it on here. I had a few retakes on it, so hopefully I get this one right, and I don't have a whole bunch of goof ups. So we're gonna choose the best one. So we'll see what happens here. So, all right, guys. So we got the tire all dismounted from the last video, and this time I'm going to mount it up. And what I'm going to do in the middle of the video is I'm going to put you guys all on the toolbox here, so you can see me actually doing this step by step. I'm going to just try to go through it. Just bear with me, because I'm just going to be kind of like giving you guys an overall on how this machine operates. Like I said, this is kind of an instructional video. And just the operation of this machine, and show you how they operate and what to expect when you're dismounting or mounting tire. So that's all this is, and just a quick overall, showing you the operation of this machine. That's pretty much what this is. So, all right, guys, let me just show you the mounting up part of it. So let me put you over here. And hopefully I'm in this. I'm not sure, but let's see what happens here. Alright, so guys, what you want to do is the bottom beads always go on first. Sometimes you actually don't need assistance from the machine. Sometimes you do. Let's see how this goes. So far it's looking like it's going to go up and around. It's going to go right now. So I might need the arm. Sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. Okay, I got it on there. So there's a little stub in there. And I actually moved up the bead the first time around in this to show you a couple times. I had some, like I said, I had some retakes on this. And not so good. So this one here, I'm gonna go through it. Hopefully it works out correctly. So, like I said to you before, guys, this is the dismount part of this combination tool. This is the duck head. This is going to mount the tire on there. And like I said, dismount the tire right here. So we're going to be mounting it. So this part here, this goes in the lip of the rim, facing down like this. So when the rim's going around, it just catches the lip. And the bead's going to go underneath here and go around the tire. So what I'm going to do is set it up like that. And a lot of times you can usually push this down right here. So when this comes around, it might just meet it. It just might meet it right about here and just shove the tire down. So let me get just a tool just to hold this up. What I'm going to do is, well, this is spinning around. I'm going to follow it around. I'm going to try to follow it around here so it seats the bead on the top. So hopefully I can do this all in one swoop, because like I said, the last time I didn't have so much luck. So this time here, with a little bit of luck, I can do it in one shot and not do 4 takes. So let's try it out. No, she's going around, but it doesn't look like it's going to see. I have the compressor all the way filled up, so this actually is, we're going to lube it up just a little bit around the bead, because the machine slip, and that compressor's completely charged up. So this thing should be sitting right down. So that shouldn't have happened. So let's try this one more time. So I got a little too much on there, I think, but you don't really want to put too much on there either, so that will slip off of there. Alright guys, I don't know why I'm having so much trouble here. I usually don't have this much trouble. Something's going on. I don't know what, but there we go. Alright guys, sorry about that. All those little bloopers here, sorry about that. You know, that's I don't know what happened, but something happened with the machine. It was just acting funny. The machine really has to be serviced. I really have to have it serviced sometime, and I got a guy that's gonna do it one day. I just gotta call him up and see if we can get him down here. So yeah, hopefully with all the goof ups and stuff like that, you guys got out of it what I was trying to show you. Again, I can't apologize enough about so many takes and retakes. I must have shot this video a few times in order just to get that footage there. So I'm going to actually go with this video here because like I said, it's a few takes, but like I said, something's going on with the machine. I don't know exactly what, but on the mountain part of it, but past few jobs I've had a little bit of trouble with it. So like I said, I have to really get it. I really have to get it checked out. So we'll see what's going on. So I'll stick a little air in there. And like I said, I don't have a gauge, which should be right here, and I'm actually pricing one out. So we'll see when it comes down to what it's gonna run. There's a lot of places that they have them. They find the cheapest to be online. There's a few sources I could use. So I'm gonna hunt around because there's a few to use. So. Whoop. Alright guys, so that's, I don't know why I'm having so much trouble today. It's kind of crazy, but I am. But unfortunately, like I said, with mine, I'm gonna have to just get a regular gauge, check out the actual pressure, because I get it close. Once I get it seated up here, I'll get it kind of close, and then I'll get the actual PSI from the placard inside the door jamb, and that will do it for the PSI. So that will basically give it to you. So that's pretty much how I have to do it until I can actually get it serviced. But like I said, it's got a few other things going on with it right now, and yeah, when I call my guy up, he's probably gonna go through it. Like I said, I fortunately got this machine from a guy who had no need for it anymore, and I have a small. You guys know I have a whole small home shop here, and I do all my side work here. You guys all know that, and I needed a nice machine for home use. I actually have an antique machine, which you can't see on the other side of the shop. Once I get the shop cleared up a little bit, you guys will be able to, you guys will be able to tell. But I'll show that. I'll probably show you that in a later video. But for now, guys, this is the quick part 2 of the mounting part of this. And sorry it's a little choppy. Sorry it took so many takes to get this thing up mounted. But I ended up getting it done, and this is probably the best video out of the whole bunch I actually had to retake. So as usual, guys, thank you so much for all my subscribers. Thanks, I appreciate it. And please subscribe and like. I'm hoping you guys are liking my content. I got some new stuff coming up, and as usual, lots of new and interesting stuff. So you guys just bear with me. Keep on watching, and I'm gonna have some new stuff for you guys.